Yes, I think we're back. So this is a set and this is a dictionary. We'll discuss one by one in the detail. What is a dictionary? What is a set and other parts. I think everyone joined, correct? Yes, everyone joined. So this is a list. We already discussed about the list. We'll discuss more on the list. This is a tuple. This is a set, and this is a dictionary. And this is a range. Okay, I put range 9. So and type is a range. We'll discuss what the range. I just give some terms, okay, but we'll discuss more in this session. This is a Freudian set, and this should be your Boolean or binary. This is your bytes. This is a byte array memory. So all the data types, how you can able to cast in that way, you can cast. Okay. Okay. So this is the means way you can able to cast the data type from one format to another format. I'm audible, correct? Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. Perfect. This is totally float, and this is for the complex number 6 plus 3 is 8. Okay. I think let's discuss more on the other part, the data engineering part, because it will complex will not work for you. If you want to generate any random number, okay, you can do in that way. Random number 1 to 10, between 1 to 10, any random number you can generate. Let's come to the string part. Okay, suppose a equal to Urvi. If I print a, just think on that. Okay, I heard this question. How is work with the character? Suppose in the variable a, I put Urvi. Okay, I print a, so it will print whole a or whole string Urvi. If I print a 0, then you always print u. Okay, so you get the character, correct? Hello.
Yeah.
You can print the character also from the string. R2. Okay, so you can able to print the character. So if you want to print whole character in the loop, you can do that way also. For example, a in the a would be, I just iterate a in the 4 times because I have the 4 characters URVI. So I can use the for loop and print the I. Means first in the I assign u, then assign R, then assign B and I similarly, and we print that I variable. If you want to check the length of the string, you can simply put
Can
LE.
you explain this again? The for command.
Yes. So let me explain the layman terms. Okay. I put 4i in A. What is my A? A is nothing, is my Urvi, correct?
Yeah.
I just print over here I. So it is a your string will act as a character also. Okay. So first time you assign to I. I and I
Okay.
assign you. It will print I means you, correct? Again, will come R will come in the picture. Then assign R in the I. Then it will print R. Again, it will come V. Then print V and again print I.
No,
Okay.
I got that, but how does it know that we are talking about? Have we defined I first? How does it know that I means?
Actually, I is something it has to take. Now you have the indexes, 4 indexes, right? 0, 1, 2,
Yeah.
like that. So every time it will come at 0. It's like iteration. Like at 0, it will know that it's u is the first position index 0, and at 1 it will take R as it, and again at 2 it will take V and like that.
Okay.
So I
Okay.
itself takes numbers 1, 2, 3. Like so, at 0 you'll take it U. So that's how.
Yeah, this is the way.
Okay.
If you see my screen, this is the way. 0, 1, 2, 3, you are VI.
Yeah. Yeah,
Okay.
this I know. Yeah.
And you don't need to define the data type because we already discussed, okay, in the session, in the current session. It will it will define the data type by itself, the Python. It will not define the data type as per the data value.
Okay.
If you want to print the length A, you can simply click on the length A, you can print. Suppose take this example. Suppose here, hi, I'm Urvi Jain and I am a Python developer. If you want to check any keyword like is I in available in this string or not, so you can do in that way. You get the answer true. Means I is available in this string. So what is syntax? Print I, the search text under the whole text. Okay. If I want to print, if I want to check would be it's true.
Is it possible to say how many times as well?
Yeah, it's possible. You have to write the code for that.
Okay.
You have to write the code for that, coding for that in the for loop. It is possible.
Okay.
And why it's showing false? Any idea? Because Urvi is
Because
already
you
there.
defined Urvi U as capital, it's case sensitive.
Okay, perfect. Similarly for this also. Okay, if you want to run the if loop, if I in S, then it is there. You can define some print some message. If we are not in S, it is not this. Means you can play with the if clause also. Okay. I just put over the summary. What kind or what things we just discussed for you. Just think this on this. Okay, the more string function like the we have the A and we have put some character over there. A B C D E F G H I. Okay, I just want to print A 1:5 is only print B, C, D, E. Why? Because it starts from the 0. This include 1, comma 5. 1, this 1, 5. Indexing from 1, it do not include the last mentioned number. We take from 2 minus 1. It's mean if you put 1:5, so your last index number is 5. So it will not accept the 5. It will accept minus 1, means it will accept the 4. Okay. So for example, if I mention 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, A, B, C, D, E, F. Sorry, I put in the H, I. Okay. 1:5. 1 is B. 5 is my A, B, C, D, F. Okay. But it will print E because it will do not include last mentioned number. It will take from 2 minus 1. So whatever you have the 5, okay, you just take minus 1 and we'll just print that number. That's why it's print E. Okay. You've understood this or any query on that?
No, it's
Yeah.
clear.
It's clear. Okay. Take this example. You start from your negative number, -4 to -1. F, G, H, okay. So it's -4 to -1. So here the index coming start from the positive number, positive natural number. But if you put -4, -1, something like that, so it will start from the reverse order. Like I is your 0, then is H is your -1, -2, G is -2, F is -3, something like that. So -1 is your H, okay, and then it's -4. So you have to go with the -3 only because we need to exclude the last part. That's why it's coming as a FGH. This one only.
Oh, even here it's going to be -3. It's not going to be here
Yeah,
at the
because
end.
it's a -3
Okay.
is from the reverse order. Okay.
Okay.
Positive
Yeah.
number from here to there. Okay. But whenever it comes minus in the picture, it will come from the reverse order.
Okay.
This is a function for a to upper. For we have the lower also, can convert into lower case, upper case, title case, camel case. For every we have the function. Okay, strip means nothing. If you have this any space, it will remove the space and then print the output. So if you see in high with some space, okay, so we will remove the space and then you print the output for you guys. Okay, if you want to replace any value, so you can replace in that way. This variable name, this is my variable name where I put hi dot replace. I want to replace a with a. Okay, so we will put ai instead of hi. Okay, I put dot strip, so it will remove the space, unusual space. Okay. Uh, so can we start next from tomorrow? I think.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, just try to run some query from your side because you already have these documents, correct? Training documents. You're guys able to open also, correct? Just have a
Yeah.
look and try to run and see what's the output and check your observation also how the output is manipulate everything. We can start next from the tomorrow the next part in the same node. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. This pace is good or shall I uh, enhance my pace? Means shall I speed my pace to say something or discuss or you guys think is too slow? I'm just checking with you guys so accordingly I will explain. Uh, you guys understand this whatever we discussed today?
Yeah, for the coding, it's fine.
Coding is fine. That's why I want to complete the coding because if I jump to the Databricks and there's a lots of coding, correct? So there will be backbones if you not understand the basic part of this Python, other part. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. We'll connect on tomorrow. Okay. I'll share the documents, the audio video link with you guys. Okay.
Sure. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. We'll connect on tomorrow. Happy learning.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Yeah.
See you all guys tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.